So this is all new 2020 Gladiator Rubicon model, 100% truck, 100% Jeep. Starting price is $33,500. Towing capacity 7,650 pounds. 4 doors, of course. It has a standard zipperless Sunrider soft top, available with black or body color 3-piece Freedom hardtop. Removable doors, of course, folding windshield, 33-inch wheels. Transfer case with four 1 long-range drivers up to. Front and rear electronically lockable wide rack. And let's see how it looks from inside.